My name is Rian Huda. I'm a student at Arkansas Tech University and I'm from Little Rock, Arkansas.
My name is Isaac Rogers. I'm a student at Arkansas Tech University and I'm from Nashville, Tennessee.
My name is Gage Ball. I'm an Arkansas Tech University student from Woodlawn, Arkansas.
Shell Eco Marathon is a race that takes place in California. They invite colleges to come and build a car that gets the best gas mileage that you can possibly get, and competitors from around the world come and we see who can get the best gas mileage.
So the year starts off with us brainstorming on what our plan of attack is for the upcoming year. The first semester, which is the fall semester, usually entails design work for any new improvements. The spring semester is when we actually go ahead and implement those designs and test them out before going to the competition in April. So this is the Eco car. It is running on a 50cc engine that you would find in a little scooter. We went from a 35cc Honda GX35 to a 50cc GY6. So the extra displacement helps us with more power, and we're hoping to get a higher efficiency with this engine.
We also designed a new intake to get rid of sharp angles and things like that and improve the design of the intake manifold for the car. And we designed it in CAD, 3D printed it, and we used a Lost PLA fabrication technique that we put it in a mold, melted out the plastic, and then put aluminum. We melted aluminum and put in it, and so we casted our own intake manifold through that. And the art department helped a lot with that.
There is minimal metal framing. It is all pink insulation that you'd find in your homes and fiberglass. The way it works with the competition is a driver lays completely horizontal in this car, and you do about 8 laps around the Sonoma Raceway track. This project taught me how to actually plan and design something before implementing it. I always felt I just went head first with a lot of projects, and this taught me how to design modularly and actually do it in a way where several team people can work on a project together.
It for sure has definitely taught me to actually take a step back and think about the problem and think about what I need to do.
I've always been interested in cars. I've never had the opportunity to actually work on them, and this club was a means for me to do that. But then learning the motto of the competition that's put on by Shell Eco Marathon, this is all about efficiency and how to further improve technology that will decrease pollution and CO2 emissions in general, is what made me want to do this.
It's taught me a lot with problem solving. I don't feel like I run into an issue and it stops me. It definitely slows me down sometimes, but I feel like I have the tools to be able to work through whatever that issue might be. And it's also taught me a lot of teamwork, is because me and Rian or me and Gage might not always agree on something, but we'll be able to come to a conclusion that best helps the team as a whole instead of just whatever I need.
And I think what the engineering department at Tech does really well is the professors here really push the fundamentals, so that even if technologies change a lot, you have the problem-solving skills that you can adapt to those changes.
Our field changes so rapidly and just so fast. New parts come out every day for different aspects of our field.
Say you have a part that you want. What can I do to change this part where it's still just as functional, just as strong, but is maybe cheaper to manufacture or lighter or different things like that? And they really try to get us to know the math behind it so that we'll be able to come out with those new things.